Hey everyone, this is EricAT and welcome to this new video in which I'll show you how to use the nano text editor in Linux. Though I am using an Ubuntu virtual machine, you can use any other Linux distro, it's up to you. So the nano text editor is one of the many editors that you have already built in your terminal, though this is my favorite one because it is very user friendly and so intuitive and simple to use. So let's go into our terminal and let's type the word nano followed by the name of the file that you want to edit. In this case I'm gonna create a file named file1 and I'm gonna edit it. As soon as you press enter, you will be prompted a screen where you can start typing wherever you want, like this. You can start also deleting if there's something already in the file. So as you can see, it's pretty cool, huh? So if you want to save whatever is inside of this file that you have typed, in case anything happens and you just want to save it and keep editing it, you just have to press Ctrl+O and it will ask you to type the name of the file, or if you just want to leave it like it is, just press enter and the content is going to be saved and you can keep editing the file. So file number 1, whatever. So I'm gonna now exit the file without saving it. How? I'm just gonna press Ctrl+X and it will ask me if I want to save what I have modified or not. I'm gonna type no. I just pressing N, the letter N, and it will kick me out of the file. Let's see if it's already there. It is, and let's read what is inside of the file. Since I didn't save the last part that I write, it's just gonna be what I saved when I press Ctrl+O. So as you can see, it's pretty cool. So let's edit another file that I have already created, which is called test, like this. And I didn't mention it, but all the options that you can use are at the bottom of the screen, like this. Get help, right, where is, blah blah blah. So Ctrl+O is to write out, which is to save the file and keep editing it, and Ctrl+X is to exit the file, and it asks you to save it or not, and it will then exit the file. So one of the other cool options that we have in this text editor is to locate a word that we want to edit or uncomment or comment or whatever. You just have to press Ctrl+W and type the line that you're looking for, the word I mean. In this case I'll be looking for the word file, and as soon as I press enter, it will go right to the line where that word is actually. In this case, this is the line that says this is just a test file, and it sent me right to it, and I can write whatever in here, right? This is a test file number 1000 or whatever, right? So one of the other cool options that we have is to cut or remove an entire line just by getting into the line, having the right or I mean this thing that is moving in the line that you want to cut, and you just have to press Ctrl+K and it will remove the line. But if it happens that by any reason you remove the line that you weren't supposed to, you can uncut it or unremove it by pressing Ctrl+U, and that way you can save yourself if you deleted something that you were not supposed to, in case you are editing a file that is of the system, something that does something actually in the system that you may have problems if you kept it deleted, that line. So you have many other options actually in this text editor. That's what I like it a lot, because you have many options, and as I was telling you, it's very user friendly, because if you press Ctrl+G, you can see all the options that you have, plus a brief description of what option or what each of them does. For example, it says Ctrl+G display this help text, as you can see. So there are all the options that you have in this text editor. As you can see, there are many. So it's just a matter of you to read all the options. In case you need something more detailed, just press Ctrl+G and you will have a brief description on what does each of the options that are available. So I just wanted to talk to you about the most important options that you will encounter with, so you can use the nano text editor and taking the most advantage out of it. So I hope you like the video. If so, feel free to subscribe and leave your thumbs up. If you want me to upload any other video or on another topic, leave your comments below and I will upload a video next time. So thanks for watching. See you.